Hello everyone, it's Eric again, your teacher from DETPractice. Today, we're diving into a writing sample question, where you have 5 minutes to develop a detailed response. Our prompt is, do you believe that uniforms are a good idea, the clothes you have to wear at school or work, or do you think they are not necessary? Provide reasons to support your opinion. Our focus point today is crucial for scoring high on opinion-based questions, using advanced expressions. Instead of simply saying, I think or I believe, using more sophisticated language demonstrates a stronger command of English. This is your chance to showcase your vocabulary and sentence structure. For an opinion essay, you want to sound persuasive and articulate. Let's learn some powerful methods to elevate your writing. To state your opinion strongly, you could say, it is my firm conviction that, or from my perspective. When introducing your reasons, move beyond firstly and secondly. Try phrases like, one of the primary arguments in favor of this policy is, or another compelling reason to consider is. To show balanced thinking, you can acknowledge the opposing view with expressions like, admittedly, some may argue that uniforms stifle individuality, however. These phrases create a more structured and academic tone. Before we look at a sample response, pause this video and take 5 minutes to write your own answer. Challenge yourself to use at least 2 of the advanced expressions we just discussed. Welcome back. Now, let's see how we can apply these phrases. A high-scoring response wouldn't just list ideas, it would frame them effectively. For example, from my perspective, the implementation of uniforms in educational and professional settings is overwhelmingly beneficial. One of the primary arguments in favor of this policy is its ability to foster a sense of equality and community among individuals, reducing the social pressures associated with fashion trends. Admittedly, some may argue that uniforms restrict personal expression, but I am of the view that this is a minor drawback when weighed against the significant advantages of a more focused and less materialistic environment. Notice how this example clearly states a position and supports it, all while using advanced vocabulary and structure. That's all for today's practice. If you'd like more writing exercises, log in to DETPractice.com and claim your 3-day free VIP trial now.